The starting of the week, and Sunday talks you hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's hard and Monday. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. You could be sitting, taking lunch. The news will hit you like a punch. It's only Tuesday. You never thought we'd go to war after all the things we saw. It's April School Day. I want to say something. Can put the music a bit down for me? I just fucked up with the time. Happens, I told you. Lost my territory. Lost my space. All trees burnt to the ground. The fire of the gunshot cutting through my fur and my tired skin, of my crooked wolf body, limping always, but never submissive. I found strength in silence. I, like my friend the bull, waited in a corner, summoning my strength, calling out my ancestors, building up my energy to react to your attack. I just wanted to leave. But you diminished my life to resistance. Fight or fly. Fight or flight. Fight or what? You're cruel. As they would say in German, grausam. You have no instinct but greed. You build your skyscrapers so high as if they could touch the sky, but you're not a bird. You're cruel. You compare yourself to the wolf and to the lion, but we are not cruel. We are violent. You misuse and abuse without understanding that violence is not the same as ambition. You're just greedy and cruel. I can be violent, but I'm not cruel. The next one.